Hello to all, very good evening my dear friends. कैसे हो आप लोग? Yes, so I hope you all are good. I hope you all are doing well. Yes, so we were studying the structure analysis both for GATE and ESE, and in the structure analysis we were studying about the frame with sway. हम पढ़ रहे थे frame with sway, right? Yesterday we have discussed about the sinking of support, right? कल हमने sinking of support के बारे में पढ़ा है. We have seen the different formulas when the support is fixed, it is settling down. जब support hinge है और वो settle down कर रहा है, हमने different formulas देखे हैं जहां पे support fix होके settle कर रहा है और जो support hinge है और वो settle कर रहा है, right? So very good evening to all. Yes, welcome again to your own YouTube channel, that is Unacademy GATE C, the channel which is made for the civil engineering students, and we are glad to have you here, right? So let's start. Those who don't know about me, myself Abhishek Bhartiya, the head of this Unacademy GATE CE channel. Okay, the head of this Unacademy GATE CE channel, and I've been teaching this field since 5 years. 5 साल से पढ़ा रहा हूँ बेटा, right? GATE में 5 times qualified हूँ, and in the ESE in the 2015 I scored 637. And अगर मैं बात करूँ कौन-कौन से subjects में ले रहा हूँ, then I used to take 7 subjects जिसमें आपका strength of material and geotechnical engineering. The strength of material and geotechnical engineering is already covered on this platform, right? You can see in the playlist, and structure analysis is currently going on. Okay, when I come to the open channel flow, there is a special class going on, special class on Unacademy. On Unacademy, special class is going on, right? And in the special class, the one thing that I'm going to do, I'm doing it, that is crash course. जो अभी चल रहा है, that is a crash course on 2 things. एक तो आपका open channel flow. One is the open channel flow. It is currently running. Okay, and another is the CPM and PERT. This is completed, right? This is completed. You can watch it, and the open channel flow is currently going on the Sunday. This Sunday will be the last session for the open channel flow, and the time is 9 a.m. The time is 9 a.m. So if you are not able to see this special classes, what you need to do, go to my profile and see the special classes. Follow my profile and you can see all the special classes, right? But when you come to the plus, you need to use the code that is the BHAR10, right? Where you not only get the live classes, you are not only getting the live classes, but you are also getting the crash courses, right? And weekly test. Each 7th day of the class will be the test, and each 4th day of the class will be the doubt solving session. And one more thing that we have done, we have made a separate batch for the doubt solving students, right? Whoever is watching any of the lecture, they can watch these doubts. They can ask the doubts in the doubt solving session. And the classes are again both English and Hindi. Classes Hindi English दोनों में होती है, right? The rank improvement batch or the rank booster batch is there, where we deal with the numericals, various numericals of a particular subject, जिससे you can get more amount of practice, right? So all these you get in the plus. Now, if you plan Iconic along with the plus, right, what you need to do, you will be getting the personal coach. आपको एक personal coach दे दिया जाएगा, who will be making a study plans for you, right? Will create the study booster sessions for you, जिसमें you will be getting the various numerical practice sessions, right? He will give you the personalized test analysis that is in depth, what is the pattern of the exam, how to approach any question, everything he will be giving you, right? And the preparatory study material. So all these things you get in the Iconic along with the plus if you go for the Iconic subscription, right? And currently the 3 subjects are running on the Unacademy Plus by me. One is the geotechnical engineering, the time is 8 p.m, right? The other is the crash course on the structure analysis, the timing is morning 7 a.m, right? And there's a doubt batch, as I told, the doubt batch is running, which I am taking on Monday, the time is 2 p.m. Okay, so we have started the pre-batch, that is GATE ESE 2021 batch, right? So it started. If you are willing to join, do join. Use the code BHAR10 for the subscription, right? सो वी वर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द पोर्टल फ्रेम विद स्वे. हम पोर्टल फ्रेम विद स्वे के बारे में पढ़ लेते. हमने कल अलग अलग फॉर्मूला देखा. क्या फॉर्मूला देखा कि अगर आपका सपोर्ट इज फिक्स्ड and it is settling down by amount of delta, if the support is fixed and is settling down by amount of delta, then the force required is 12 delta by L cube, right? And the moment, that is the reaction, जो moment develop हो रहा है in the form of reaction, it is 6 delta by L square, right? So that is the, when the both ends are fixed. When one end is fixed, other isn't. When one end is fixed and the other is hinged, what will be there? जब एक end fixed है और दूसरा hinge है, and any support is settling down, then the force required is 3I delta by L cube and the moment as the reaction is 3I delta by L square. So this we have seen. Right? So that is about the portal frame with sway in the sinking part. So today we are going to see the next part. आज हम दूसरा part enter कर रहे होंगे. That is sway of support. That is sway. What is the sway? Sway होता क्या है? What do you understand by sway? Come on, tell me first. What do you understand by sway of support? Come on, tell me. What do you understand by sway of support? Yes? What do you understand by sway of support? Sway means what? The movement of the support in the horizontal direction. The movement in the horizontal direction, that is referred as sway. Right? So sway of support means the movement of the support movement of the support in the which direction? Horizontal direction. Movement of the support in the horizontal direction. So sway means when the support moves in the horizontal direction, that is a sway. उसको हम बोलते हैं sway, right? So again, जैसे सिंक में हमने पढ़ा था that there are two cases. Here also we have two cases. As we studied in the sink, there are two cases. In the sway also there are two cases, right? We'll see one by one. So the first case, see here, everyone look here. See here. If I say that this is a fixed column, if I say this is a fixed column, fixed at both the ends, okay, fixed at both the ends, then if I want to show the sway, अगर मेरे को sway दिखाना है such that the top part B, let us say top part B moves by amount of delta. The top part B moves by amount of delta. It reaches to B dash. कहां पहुंच गया भाई? It reaches to B dash. ये पहुंच गया आपका B dash पॉइंट पे, right? Then what is the deflected shape? Deflected shape कैसा होगा? See, first of all, what you should understand, सबसे पहली बात आपको क्या समझनी है? That since it is fixed, so the angle is same between the members and the support. ये एंगल चेंज नहीं होगा. Here also it is fixed and there is no movement at A. So in the deflected shape ये एंगल नहीं बदलेगा. पहला बात. तो अब अगर हम deflected shape बनाएं, if I draw the deflected shape, तो ये बन गया deflected shape. This is the deflected shape. Yes or no? Where the slope at B पे slope और A पे slope at B and A both are equal to 0. There is no slope at A and B. Is it clear to everyone? क्या ये पॉइंट सबको समझ में आया? बोलो yes or no? Yes, this point is clear to everyone. Very good. So to produce this deflection delta, इस deflection delta को produce करने के लिए what is the amount of force we need to apply? Come on, who can answer? What is the amount? See the deflected shape, you can answer. See here in the sway, the deflected shape you need to understand very properly. If you understand the deflected shape, you can answer any question, right? So look at the deflected shape. Look at the deflected shape. Yes. So if you look at the deflected shape, tell me what is the force required to produce this deflection delta if the length of the column is L. If the length of the column is L, come on, answer it. If the length of the column is L, what is the moment required? What is the force required to produce this deflection delta? Nothing. Same. P is what? P is nothing but 12 EI. 12 EI delta upon L cube. 12 EI delta upon L cube. This is the force required to produce the delta displacement. Remember sinking of support? Both the supports are fixed. One support is settling down. The force required is 12 EI delta by L cube. Same way, man. Same way. उसी तरीके से. उसी तरीके से. Is it clear? ये point समझ में आया? Right? So what is the moment required? देखो बड़ा easy तरीका आपको मैं बताया था. I have told you very simple way. The force is P, balanced by the opposite P. So couple is P into L. Couple is P into L. Balanced by the opposite moment. So this is clockwise, balanced by the anti-clockwise. What is the moment? What is the moment for moment at B and A? What is the moment for moment at B and A? Nothing but PL by 2. PL by 2. If you remember, yes or no? Yes or no? Right? So what is the moment at A? Moment at A is nothing but P into L by 2, that is 6 EI delta divided by L square. So easy, so easy. देखो कितना आसान हो गया. देखो कितना आसान हो गया रे बाबा, कितना आसान हो गया. Yes, just one formula you remember and you can answer anything. You just remember one formula and you can answer anything. Is it clear to everyone? ये point समझ में आ गया? Yes, is this point clear to everyone? Please keep commenting in the comment box. I know we cannot come live at this moment because of few technical issues on the YouTube, but as a responsible educators, we all are there in the recorded session when it is getting premiered, right? Whenever this video is getting premiered at the time slot which we mentioned, we are available to answer your queries in the chat box, right? So do comment, do reply so that we understand, you are able to understand each and every topic. Okay, so this point is clear to everyone? Bolo re baba, yes or no? Is it clear to everyone? Yes? Very good, very good. So this is case number 1. Moving to the case number 2. Moving to the case number 2. Moving to the case number 2. See here. See here. This is the okay. So this is the hinge and the other side I am making it a fixed. Other side I am making it a fixed. Okay. Now I want that the upward support moves by amount of delta. कि ऊपर वाला support delta amount से move कर जाए. The up support moves by amount of delta. So if the up support moves by the amount of delta, right? अगर ऊपर वाला support delta से move कर रहा है, so if up support moves by amount of delta, right? So what is the deflected shape? Deflected shape कैसा दिखेगा, right? So if I name it, suppose this is A, this is B. So B move to B dash. B move to B dash. So what is the deflected shape? See the rigidity. At B, you can see there is angle 90. At B, you can see the 90. Yes? But at A, there is no restriction of slope. A पे कोई restriction नहीं है. So if I draw the deflected shape, it will be like this. Hi Anna. This is the deflected shape. Tell me yes or no. This is your deflected shape. This is your deflected. No restriction at A for the slope. But at B, there is a restriction. Slope at B will be 0. A पे कोई restriction नहीं है. And B, the slope is equal to 0. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? ये बात समझ में आ गया? ये बात समझ में आ गया? बोलो हाँ या ना. At B the slope is equal to 0. The length is L. Now tell me the deflected shape look like. Deflected shape look like. Deflected shape कैसा दिख रहा है? Remember the second case? Sinking का second case. Although we have moved the fifth support, तो उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है यार? What is the effect? There is no effect, right? Why there is no effect? क्यों कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा? By relative displacement है. It is the relative displacement. Whether I move B, whether I move A, it is not a concern for me. I can move anyone. मैं B को भी move करूं, मैं A को भी move करूं. For example, if I say, suppose if I say, अगर मैं बोल रहा हूं भाई कि because this is a problem you will face when you will be drawing the, when you will solving the question, तुम बोलोगे सर ये कैसे हो गया? सर आप तो बोले थे कि हिंज, आप तो बोले सर हिंज मूव करेगा, आप तो यहां पे फिक्स मूव करा दिए, सर हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल, है ना? तो ये सवाल तुम्हारे मन में आएगा. सो लेट मी क्लियर दैट. सी हियर, लेट अस से we have come to the point, let us say we have come to the point, let us say we have come to the point of A dash. A come to A dash, okay? A come to A dash. A come to A dash. Let us say. अरे फिर से वही हो गया. अरे बाबा. ओके, नो इशू. अब हो गया तो हो गया. चलो, नो इशू. So A come to A dash, right? A come to A dash. So now, if I draw the deflected shape, अगर मैं यहां पे deflected shape बनाऊं, if I draw the deflected shape, so how will the deflected shape look like? बोलो भाई, deflected shape कैसा दिखेगा? How will be the deflected shape look like? A will come to A dash. A will come to A dash. Yes or no? A will come to A dash, and at B the slope is 0. At A there is no restriction of slope. So if I draw the deflected curve, it will look like this. ये ऐसा बनेगा कि नहीं? The deflected curve is like this. So if the deflected curve is like this, it moves by amount of delta. So to produce this delta, what is the force P? It will be same as you obtain over here. To produce this deflection delta, the force required, that is P, will be same as you obtain over here. It will be same, right? So irrespective whether you move B or you move A, the force causing the deflection will not change. So what is the force? The force is 3EI delta upon L cube. 3EI delta by L cube. And the moment required M is nothing but P into L. We have already seen this. The moment required M is nothing but P into L. Is it clear? So M is what? P into L. That is nothing but 3EI delta by L square. So actual work we have completed yesterday. Actual काम तो हमने कल कर लिया था. Actual work we have completed yesterday. Today just we have extended it. Today just we have proved it for the sway of the support. Is it clear to all? ये point समझ में आ गया? बोलो हाँ या ना? So what we have seen in the first case number 1, that is when I apply the load for producing the deflection delta, the force required is 12EI delta by L cube, right? And for moment developed is 6EI delta by L square. In the next case, when one end is hinged, other is simply supported, the force required for delta deflection, whether you take at B or you take at A, चाहे तुम B पे लो, चाहे तुम A पे लो, the force required is 3I delta by L cube and the moment is P into L. Is it clear to all? ये point समझ में आ गया? बोलो रे बाबा. Yes. Is this point clear to everyone? Come on, tell me first. Is this point clear to everyone? Ekdam. Okay, very good. Very good. So today is the day of the numericals. Today is the day I dedicated it for the numericals. So let's see the numericals. So before that, let us revise few things. let us revise few things. Structure will not sway when both structure and loading are symmetrical. Structure sway नहीं करेगा अगर लोडिंग और आपका स्ट्रक्चर दोनों सिमेट्रिकल है. फर्स्ट पॉइंट. सेकेंड पॉइंट, अगर दोनों में से कोई भी असिमेट्रिक हुआ या दोनों असिमेट्रिक हुआ, then it will sway. If both will not be symmetric or either one is not symmetric, the structure will not sway. Third point, sinking of the support refers to the support settlement in the vertical direction. Sinking means settlement in the vertical direction and sway means support movement in the horizontal direction. Difference is clear to everyone? Formula is clear to everyone? Bolo हाँ या ना? Bolo bhai, is the formula clear to everyone? Is the formula clear to everyone? Tell me yes or no. Yes? The formula is clear to everyone? Very good. Very good. So now, भाई जैसा कि मैंने बोला कि per day one motivational quote will be there. Per day one motivational quote will be there. So today's quote is, the key to success is to focus on goals, not on obstacles. भाई मेरे हम क्या करते हैं ना, when we have set a goal, right? तो गोल बीच बीच में जो भी डाइवर्जन होता है ना, हम वहां पे अपने दिमाग को डाइवर्ट करने लगते हैं, तो वो कभी सक्सेस नहीं देगा. जैसे मैंने पहले भी ये बात बोला था कि इफ यू रिमेंबर, मैंने एक बार एसएससी जेई पे बोला था कि यार आपका गोल है गेट और ईएससी, ठीक है, और आप वो काम नहीं कर रहे हो जो आपको गेट या ईएससी में मदद करेगा, आप वो काम कर रहे हो जो आपको गेट और ईएससी से दूर लेके जाएगा, तो वहां पे सक्सेस आपको कभी नहीं मिलेगी. राइट? सो ऑलवेज वन थिंग रिमेंबर, the only thing to get a success is to focus on your goal. वही एक्टिविटी करो जो तुमके गोल स्टेटमेंट में तुमको मदद करे. If any activity is not helping you in the goal statement, then that activity should not be performed. Is it clear? So the key to success is to focus on your goals, not on the obstacles. मैं बार बार बोलता हूं, ये एसएससी जेई हो गया या कुछ भी हो गया, तो ये सब है क्या? These are the divergence. These are the divergence. ये बार बार मैं बोलते हैं डाइवर्जेंस है, ये ऑब्स्टैकल्स हैं आपके सक्सेस को पाने के लिए. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव ऑन नाउ. सी दिस क्वेश्चन, रीड दिस क्वेश्चन. अ रिजिड बीम इज रेस्टिंग ऑन द टू कैंटिलीवर. रिजिड बीम मतलब, रिजिड बीम मतलब, रिजिड बीम मतलब वो बीम जिसमें लोड लगाओगे, बेंड मतलब एक्सटर्नल ट्रांसवर्स लोड आओ, कुछ भी लगाओगे वो बेंड नहीं करेगा. द बीम इज नॉट गोइंग टू बेंड. The beam is not going to bend. तो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं? Rigid beam is resting on the two cantilever symmetrically as shown in the figure. Can you see that? ये plan view है. Look at ये plan view. ऊपर से देख रहे हो. You are looking from the top, right? Plan view. So a rigid beam is resting. You can understand this. There is a rigid beam. Let me show you. Let me show you. देखो यहाँ पे. There is a rigid beam like this. Can you see it? This is a rigid beam. These are the two hands are my cantilever part, right? So the diagram is like this. Everyone understood? If you look at it, if you look from the top view, it will look like this. See here, it will look like this. Yes. So a rigid beam is resting on the two cantilevers. Yes, that you can see from the diagram. That you can see from the diagram. वो तुमको diagram से दिख रहा है. So क्या पूछ रहा है? Determine MA. So where is MA? This is the MA point. This is the MA point. ये आपका पॉइंट MA. आपका ये पॉइंट पे बोल रहा है कि व्हाट इज MA, बताओ. आपको बोला है कि रिजिड बीम का वेट W है. द वेट ऑफ द रिजिड बीम इज W. द वेट ऑफ द रिजिड बीम इज W. यस, आंसर मी. व्हाट इज द मोमेंट एट A? You should understand the deflected shape. या rigid connection है, ये rigid connection है. So the beam is resting on these two cantilever. So it will deflect as such. ये ऐसे deflect होगा, ये ऐसे deflect होगा कि ये जो angle है between the rigid beam and the cantilever, this is not going to change, right? So you have applied the load, it will go down, but the angle will be maintained. The angle will be maintained. Now, the angle will be maintained. So suppose if I take this part C, this part D, right? this part C, this part, one part is C, other part is D. So if I say that, solution I'm talking about, this is the rigid beam which is having a weight W, This is the rigid beam. This is the rigid beam having the weight W. This is the rigid beam having the weight W. Right? Now, at point C and D, at point C and the point D, where there is a rigid connection, if it is symmetrically placed, both sides, the reaction will be same. Yes, both side reaction will be same. That is what W by 2 बोलो हाँ या ना, दोनों साइड रिएक्शन सेम होगा, W by 2, right? That means on the cantilever AC, what is the load transferred? AC में कितना लोड ट्रांसफर हुआ? At the point C, how much load is transferred? W by 2, right? And due to that load of W by 2, C support is going to settle down. Due to that load of W by 2, C support is going to settle down. Is it clear? The C support is going to settle down. तो देखो यहाँ पे, everyone see है, सारे लोग यहाँ पे ध्यान दो. If I say, देखो यहाँ पे ध्यान से, everyone try to understand. If I apply the load of W by 2 at C, you should understand the deflected shape. What is the deflect? There is a rigid connection between the beam and the joint. So the angle will be maintained during the settlement. So if I draw the deflected shape look like this. This is the deflected shape, yes or no? This is the deflected shape. So if this is the deflected shape, for the analysis, I should consider this as a fixed joint only, as a fixed support only, then only I can get this form. तभी ऐसा हमको deflected shape मिल सकता है, बोलो हाँ या ना भाई, तभी मिल सकता है, yes or no, बोलो भाई. मैंने क्या बोला, आपका एक rigid beam है, there is a rigid beam, right? Its weight is W. When it is going to settle down at this two cantilever part, the settlement is such that the slope at C, it will be equal to 0. The slope at C will be equal to 0. So if the slope at C is equal to 0, that means it is going to behave as a fixed beam. The behavior is like a fixed beam. Yes or no? Are bolo re baba. The behavior is like a fixed beam in the deflected shape. So the load applied, let me rub this. Understood this part? So the load applied is W by 2. The load applied is W by 2. The load applied is W by 2. What is the moment at A? It is very easy now. It is very easy. Your options, I'm giving you the options. The moment at A is, your options are A, WL by 2, option B, WL by 4, option C, WL by 8, option D, W into L. Yes, come on, answer it. What is the option? A, B, C or D? कौन सा ऑप्शन होगा? A होगा, B होगा, C होगा, D होगा? Think and answer. A, B, C or D? The moment at A is, if I apply the load of W by 2, what is the moment at A? Come on, reply fast. This is the A point. What will be the moment developed at A? Moment क्या develop होगा A पे? Yes. What is the moment developed at A? A पे कितना moment develop होगा? Yes. What is the moment developed at A? Very good. कुछ लोग A बोल रहे हैं, कुछ लोग B बोल रहे होंगे. ठीक है. अब देखो भाई, बड़ा सिंपल तरीका मैंने तुमको बोला था. अगर P लोड लगा था तो इधर P, कपल इज PL, जो दोनों आधा आधा डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दो. तो if W/2 load is there, you will apply the upward load of W/2. If the jalebi load is there, you will apply the load of jalebi here. Yes or no? The length of the beam is L. So the moment is jalebi into L. The moment is jalebi into L. So if the jalebi into L moment is there, you will divide half on the both the sides. Yes or no? So if W/2 into L moment is there, couple is there, I will apply the opposite moment. I will apply the opposite moment. This is clockwise. So I will apply the opposite anti-clockwise moment of WL/2 half. WL/2 half. Is it clear? So that is nothing but WL/4. That is nothing but WL/4. Is it clear to all? ये पॉइंट समझ में आ गया सबको? ये पॉइंट समझ में आ गया भाई? मेरे इतना अच्छा तरीका, इतना शॉर्ट तरीका मैंने तुम लोग को सिखाया हुआ है, राइट? सो इससे सिंपल क्या होगा? बाकी लोग क्या करते हैं? सबसे पहले 12VI डेल्टा बाई एल क्यूब से कंपेयर करते थे. कंपेयर इट विद द 12VI डेल्टा बाई एल क्यूब, राइट? वहां से डेल्टा निकालते हैं. देन दे पुट इन द 6CI डेल्टा बाई एल स्क्वायर, राइट? एंड देन दे फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ WL/4. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. I don't know why. So simple, so simple. Is it like just about you should understand the deflected shape. आपको एक बार deflected shape समझना है. If you understand the deflected shape, आप कोई भी आंसर कर सकते हो. Is it clear to everyone? ये पॉइंट सबको समझ में आ गया? बोलो हाँ या ना. ये पॉइंट सबको क्लियर है? ये पॉइंट सबको क्लियर है? प्लीज रिप्लाई इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? यस. अरे बोलो रे बाबा. यस यस. इज इट क्लियर? ओके, वेरी गुड. Very good. So this is your first question. This is your first question that we have solved for the sway analysis. Actually, this is a sinking of support. This is a sinking of support question. Okay. Chaliye. Now, next question. Solve it. Solve it. Try to solve it. Try to solve it. The frame is subjected to the pure sway as shown in the figure. Determine MA. If nothing is mentioned about the joint, it is a rigid joint. I've already told you the deflected shape. मैंने already तुमको deflected shape बताया हुआ है इसका. Already I've discussed the deflected shape. Now you need to find the moment at A. What is the moment at A? A पे कितना moment जाएगा? What is the moment at A? What is the moment at A? A पे कितना moment जाएगा? Your options are WL/2 या P के टर्म में दिया हुआ है. इट इज गिवन इन टर्म्स ऑफ P. सो योर ऑप्शंस आर PL/2, PL/4, PL/8 or D, none of these. D, none of these. Come on, reply fast. Reply fast. Reply fast. Draw the deflected shape. Draw the deflected shape. Draw the deflected shape. Draw the deflected shape. You will get your answer. Draw the deflected shape. Draw the deflected shape. You will get your answer. Yes. Draw the deflected shape. You apply the load of P. You applied the load of P at B. Draw the deflected shape. If you draw the deflected shape, you will get your answer for sure. You will get your answer for sure. Yes. Fast, fast, fast. A, B, C or D. A, B, C or D. A, B, C or D. Fast. Try to solve. Draw the deflected shape. You know the end moment. You know the formula for the end moment. You can solve it. You can solve it. Yes, you can solve it. Okay. Let's see now. Let's see now. देखते हैं भाई. Let's see. So, if I draw the deflected shape, अगर हम deflected shape बनाएं, so it's a pure sway delta BC, or we can just write delta B, right? It moved to B dash, C moved to C dash. This is the what we have studied. The angle will be maintained because it's a rigid joint. This is the deflected shape. This is the deflected shape. In the moment distribution method, we consider the member to be inextensible. Yes or no? In the moment distribution method, we consider the member to be inextensible. So whatever will be the deflection at B will be equal to the deflection at C, because the member BC is inextensible. Member BC is inextensible. Bolo हाँ या ना? The member BC is inextensible, right? So this deflection B, this I'm writing as delta. This I'm writing as delta. Now tell me one thing. To produce this delta for the column AB, how much force you required to produce this delta? To produce this delta for the column AB, to produce this delta for the column AB, how much force is required? Come on, tell me first. How much force is required to produce this delta? To produce this delta, this length is L, it is like a fixed. So we'll write 12 EI delta by L cube. Yes or no? भाई देख रहा है ये A भी fixed है, B भी fixed है. Both A and B are like behaving as a fixed. So to move any support, the force required is 12 EI delta by L cube. Yes? करेगा? एकदम. Similarly, look at C. Look at C. For C to move it to C dash. For C to move it to C dash for the column CD. C point पे C dash पे जाने के लिए for the column CD. What is the force required? कितना force चाहिए? What is the force required? बोलो भाई. How much force is what? कितना force चाहिए हमको? Again same. The force is what? 12 EI delta upon L cube. बोलो हाँ या ना? Force is 12 EI delta by L cube. मतलब total force required to produce this delta deflection is F plus F. That is 2F. आपने कितना अप्लाई किया है? P. So what I am saying? 2F is equal to P. ये बात समझ में आ गया? ये बात समझ में आ गया? Tell me yes or no. 2F is equal to P. भाई मेरे आपने जब लोड लगाया, if you apply the load, the resistance you are going to get from the column BA, the resistance you are going to get from the column CD. आपको resistance BA से भी मिलेगा और CD से भी मिलेगा. You are going to resistance from both. आपको resistance दोनों से मिलेगा. Right? So if you apply the load of P, if you are saying that deflection is delta for the BA, for the BC, for the BA column and CD column, तो delta क्या है? Well, to produce this delta, we need the force of 12 EI delta by L cube. To produce this delta at C, we need the force of 12 EI delta by L cube. So what is the total force required? Total force कितना हुआ? 12 plus 12, that is F plus F, that is 2F. And that will be equal to P. That will be equal to P. So F is nothing but P by 2. F is nothing but P by 2. That means if I see the load P for the column AB, it will take half of the load. For the column AB, it will take half of the load. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? So now look at the column AB. Now look at the column AB, because I want to find the force on the member. Because I want to find the force on the member. Moment at the support A. Right? Moment at the support A. So look here. If I say this is the joint A, this is the joint B. Joint B move to B dash. Joint B move to B dash. Right? Joint B move to B dash point. The deflection is delta. Right? So this is your deflected shape. So the force required is F, which is equal to P by 2. The force required is F, that is equal to P by 2. Length is L. Length is L. So what is the reaction? What is the reaction? Come on, tell me first. This is what? P by 2. ये आपका हो गया P by 2. Right? The length is L. So total moment is what? Couple form. PL by 2. PL by 2. Yes or no? P by 2 into L. That will be distributed to both half at A and B. So moment at A is what? Moment at A is what? Nothing but PL by 4. Is it clear to everyone? moment at A is nothing but PL by 4 and same the moment at B also, that is PL by 4. मजा आया कि नहीं आया? देख लो अभी तक हमने 12 डेल्टा बाई एल क्यूब या ऐसे करके पूरा कन्वर्जन नहीं किया, बहुत बेसिक अप्रोच से हमने चला और आंसर निकाल दिया. वी हैव मूव विद अ वेरी बेसिक अप्रोच एंड फाउंड द आंसर. इज इट क्लियर? चलिए, सो व्हाट इज द आंसर? मोमेंट एट ए इज PL by 4. This is your answer. So if I look here, the answer is B. The answer is B. Understood? Tell me, understood everyone? भाई मैंने सिंपल क्या, ड्रॉ द डिफ्लेक्टेड शेप. मैंने देखा कि इस डिफ्लेक्शन के लिए कितना फोर्स चाहिए, हाउ मच फोर्स इज रिक्वायर्ड. आई हैव इक्वेटेड विद द लोड अप्लाइड एंड करस्पॉन्डिंगली आई फाउंड द मोमेंट एट ए. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? ये पॉइंट समझ में आ गया? इट्स ऑल द गेम ऑफ द डिफ्लेक्टेड शेप. ये पूरा गेम आपका डिफ्लेक्टेड शेप का है. द एंटायर गेम इज ऑफ डिफ्लेक्टेड शेप एंड नथिंग बट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि भाई कहां पे स्लोप होगा, कहां स्लोप नहीं होगा, वेयर द स्लोप विल बी देयर, वेयर द स्लोप विल नॉट बी देयर. यही तो देखना है हमको. दिस इज व्हाट वी नीड टू सी. दिस इज व्हाट वी नीड टू सी. दैट्स इट. यही देखना है हमको. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? बोलो भाई. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज क्लियर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 प्योर स्वे. इट्स अ प्योर स्वे. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? ये पॉइंट समझ में आ गया? यस. इज दिस पॉइंट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? श्योर. लॉक कर दे, लॉक कर दे, आगे बढ़े. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. यस. ओके, ओके माय डियर. सी दिस. फॉर द फ्रेम शोन इन द फिगर डिटरमाइन MA. नाउ at this part I want to find MA, moment at A, but it is not the pure sway because the joint is hinge. The joint is hinge. Now how many can draw the deflected shape? कितने लोग इसका deflected shape बना सकते हो? How many of you can draw the deflected shape? It is a hinge joint, so angle will not be same. Angle will not be same. Angle will not be same. If you apply the load, the angle is not going to be same. The angle is not going to be same. Yes. Can you try it? Can you try it? Draw the deflected shape first. Deflected shape बना लिए, बाकी काम तो calculation है, which you will learn slowly. Yes. इतने क्वेश्चन करा दूंगा कि that you can solve any number of problem. Yes. Draw the deflected shape due to this load P. It is not called as a pure sway because you can see the rotation at B and C. So it is not the pure sway. इसको हम pure sway नहीं बोलते. Yes, but draw the deflected shape. Everyone draw the deflected shape. Draw the deflected shape. सारे लोग इसका deflected shape बनाओ. Everyone draw the deflected shape. तो अगर तुम इसका deflected shape बनाते हो तो deflected shape कैसा आया होगा? B पहुंचा B डैश पे, C पहुंचा C डैश पे, C will reach C डैश. Obviously BC member is inextensible क्योंकि हम वैसे ही स्ट्रक्चर का बात कर रहे हैं in the MDM. So here there is no restriction of slope. So if you draw the deflected shape will look like this. Okay, deflected shape will look like this. देखो मैं फिर से बना दे रहा हूं, थोड़ा आगे बढ़ा के बनाता हूं ताकि बेटर बनेगा. Okay, so B move to B dash, let us say here, right? So if I draw the deflected shape, this is the deflected shape, right? Similarly here at D, this is the deflected shape. Can everyone understand? So this angle you can see between the members. You can see the angle between the members. It is no more 90. ये 90 नहीं रहा, ये 90 नहीं रहा. You can see here, it is no more 90. So this is the deflected shape. Can everyone understand this? I apply the load. This is your deflected shape, right? So to produce this delta, both delta will be same because the member BC is inextensible. यही हम मानते हैं, मेरा assumption यही है moment distribution method में, right? So member BC is inextensible. So both B and C joint will move by the amount delta, right? So what is the force required to produce delta? What is the force required to produce delta? Yes, what is the force? What is the force required to produce the deflection delta? what is the force required to produce the deflection delta? Come on, tell me. Yes, 3 EI delta by L cube. Yes or no? 3 I delta by L cube. And here the force required is 3 EI delta by L cube. Is it clear to everyone? So total force required is 2F, and that 2F will be equal to P, because both F are same na. That's why I've written 2F is equal to P. Again, F is equal to what? P by 2. F is equal to what? P by 2. Although the result from the previous case is same, previous case से although result same आ रहा है, लेकिन the deflected shapes are different. This you should understand, right? So if I draw the diagram, चलो अगले पेज में आते हैं. Let us draw in the next page. If I draw the diagram, तो हमको डायग्राम कैसा दिखेगा? देखो सारे लोग, देखो सारे लोग. If I draw the diagram will look like this. It is like a hinge. It is like a hinge. It is like a hinge. And at hinge for the B, you have applied the load of P. That is F. That is F. Okay. आपने लोड क्या अप्लाई किया? F अप्लाई किया. And when you apply this load, this move to B dash, and this is your deflected shape. ये आपका deflected shape. This is your deflected shape. Is it clear? ये आपका बना deflected shape. So F is nothing but equal to P by 2. What we know? If this is the force F, opposite will be the force F. Yes or no? And what is the moment? The moment is whatever the value, that is F into L. That is nothing but P by 2 into L. Is it clear to everyone? ये समझ में आ गया सबको? So the moment at A is PL by 2. It is not PL by 4. समझ में आया कैसे घुमाता है? क्वेश्चन देखा कैसे घुमाता है? क्वेश्चन समझ में आया कैसे घूमता है? So अगर तुमको बेसिक पता है तो ये सब कुछ नहीं है. The basic is not clear, तभी तुम फंसते हो. Is it clear everyone? क्या ये पॉइंट सबको समझ में आया? बोलो यार, क्या ये पॉइंट सबको समझ में आया? Yes or no? Moment at A is nothing but PL by 2. It's not PL by 4. It's not PL by 4. It is PL by 2. समझ में आ गया? समझ में आ गया सबको? अरे बोलो हाँ या ना? Is this point clear to everyone? ये पॉइंट सबको क्लियर हुआ? Okay, very good. So you can see the same question I have applied with the rigid, same question I have done with the hinge. What is the difference? For the first case, the slope at B for the member B and BC, the slope at C for the member CB and CD will not change. So slope will be constant. Slope will be constant, right? And if the slope is constant, you can see the deflected shape. The moment at A you obtain as PL by 4. But when it is hinge, you can see the angle is not same. So depending on the deflected shape, I find the moment at A. And that moment is nothing but PL by 2. Is it clear to everyone? क्या ये पॉइंट सबको समझ में आ गया? Yes? अगर समझ में आ गया फिर अगले क्वेश्चन पे बढ़ते हैं. If it is clear, then we'll move to the next question. If it is clear, then we move to the next question. Yes? Clear है? बोलो यार. बोलो बोलो बोलो. Is this point clear to everyone? क्या ये पॉइंट सबको समझ में आ गया? चलिए ओके देन. अब ये मजेदार क्वेश्चन है. Now this is a good question. Read this. For the it's not prop cantilever. Let me rub this. For the fixed beam, shown in the figure, if support B settles by delta, अगर support B delta amount से settle कर रहा है, then moment at A will increase or decrease, moment at B will increase or decrease, or nothing will happen, no change will happen. ये आपको ओरिजिनल लोडिंग कंडीशन है. ऑन अ फिक्स्ड बीम इट इज सब्जेक्टेड टू द यूडीएल. ठीक है, तो आपको ये बोल रहा है कि अगर बी सपोर्ट सेटल कर रहा है बाय अमाउंट ऑफ डेल्टा, what will happen to the moment at A, what will happen to the moment at B? Moment at A बढ़ेगा घटेगा, moment at B बढ़ेगा घटेगा, ठीक है? What will happen to the moment? अब मैं तुमको सही मायने बोलूं, अभी तक हमने जितना क्वेश्चन किया है, in none of the question you actually required the formula 6CI delta by L cube, L square 12VI delta by L cube and so on. You don't require any formula. एकदम बेसिक, यहां से चलना, यहां से you need to play from here, you need to play from here. Yes, what is the answer? First of all, what you need to do, find the moment at A and B due to the applied load. Nothing more, just the direction, moment at A and B due to the applied load. Now remove the applied load, settle the support B by delta and find the moment. If from both the cases the moment are in same direction, add up. If are in the opposite direction, subtract it. तो अगर add किया, if you add it up, the value increases. If you subtracted, the value decreases. Come on, tell me now, what is option A, B, C or D? Tell me now, what is option A, B, C or D? A होगा, B होगा, C होगा, D होगा. Come on, reply first. Will it be A, B, C or D? Yes? Will it be A, B, C or D? कौन सा होगा? A होगा, B होगा, C होगा, D होगा. Reply करिए. Fixed beam subjected to the UDL throughout. So if support B, that is the right support, settles by amount of delta, then what will happen? To the moment at A and the moment at B? What will happen to the moment at A and moment at B? A पे क्या होगा, B पे क्या होगा? Yes. What will happen to the moment at A and moment at B? Reply first. What will happen to the moment at A and moment at B? बड़ा सिंपल तरीका मैंने बोला है कि पहले यूडीएल के कारण ए और बी पे मोमेंट का डायरेक्शन देख लो, राइट? देन settle B by delta amount, see the deflected shape, find the moment direction, look at the moment direction. Now correspondingly check A, B, C or D. Yes, correspondingly check A, B, C or D. A होगा, B होगा, C होगा, D होगा. बोलो यार. मोमेंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मेथड मेरे ख्याल से इससे सिंपल वे में नहीं हो सकता, ठीक है? आई हैव ट्राइड में लेवल बेस्ट किया, आपको एकदम विजुअलाइज करा दूं एक एक चीज. आई हैव ट्राइड में लेवल बेस्ट किया टू विजुअलाइज ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. रट्टू तोता नहीं बनाया आपको. आई हैव नॉट मेड यू द रट्टू तोता. आई मेड वेरी सिंपल लाइफ, वेरी सिंपल फॉर यू ऑल इन द मोमेंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मेथड. नाउ इट्स अ गेम ऑफ योर प्रैक्टिस. द मोर यू प्रैक्टिस द बेटर यू विल बिकम. The more you practice, the better you will become. So it's all the game of practice now. पूरा game of practice का है. The entire game is to practice now. So moment at A, B, what will happen? चलिए देखते हैं फिर. देखिए, if I say this is a fixed beam and this fixed beam is subjected to UDL. So what is the moment direction? At A it will be anti-clockwise, at B it will be clockwise. This is the moment direction. Yes, yahi hoga? Okay, now next part. What is said? Next part क्या बोल रहा है? अबे, what is the next part saying? That if the support B settles by amount of delta, अगर support B settle कर रहा है by the delta amount, if the support B is settling by the delta amount, then what will happen to the moment at A and B? So first, don't assume any load in the member AB. Right? Draw the deflected shape. So we know the direction of movement. This is the direction of movement. This is the direction of movement. Now tell me what will happen to the combined moment. See here, this we need to add. ये हमको ऐड करना पड़ेगा. दोनों मिल गया तो मेरे केस का क्वेश्चन बन गया. दोनों मिल गया मेरे केस का क्वेश्चन बन गया. यस. सो देख के तुम बता सकते हो ए पे क्या हो रहा है, बी पे क्या हो रहा है. जस्ट बाय लुकिंग एट दिस. नो नीड टू पुट एनी फॉर्मूला. No need to put any formula. At A, both are in the same direction. At B, both are in the opposite direction. Yes. So at A, the moment will increase. At B, the moment will decrease. So which is the correct answer? Moment at A will increase and moment at B decrease. This is your correct answer. मजा आया? मजा आया? अगर मजा आया ना तो लाइक जरूर कर देना और शेयर जरूर कर देना. ठीक है, वरना पाप लगेगा सबको, पहले बता देता हूं. राइट. सो लेट मी गो विद द वैल्यूज ऑल्सो. लेट मी गो विद द वैल्यूज ऑल्सो. तो ये आपका हो जाता है WL²/12. राइट. दिस इज WL²/12. ओके. दिस पार्ट इज व्हाट? योर 6EI delta by L². This is also 6EI delta by L². So if I add up both, so moment at A is what? WL²/12 plus 6EI delta by L². Moment at B is what? WL²/12 minus 6EI. Is it clear to everyone? ये पॉइंट सबको समझ में आ गया? बोलो यार, मजा आया कि नहीं आया? मजा आया. Just by drawing the deflected shape. Yes, just by drawing the deflected shape, we find the moment at A and B. Deflected shape बना के हमने A और B पे मोमेंट निकाल लिया. ठीक है? Is it clear? बोलो यार, ये पॉइंट समझ में आया सबको? बोलो भाई, बोलो. Yes? चलिए, बहुत बढ़िया. So this we have drawn for the fixed beam. This we have drawn in the case of the fixed beam. अब ऐसे ही कोई भी क्वेश्चन बन सकता है. You can be given n number of questions. दे सकते हैं ना भाई ये लोग. They can give you n number of questions. तो भाई बना लेंगे. दे दो जो देना है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. ठीक है. Give it any question we can solve. Right? चलिए. Let's see another question. Read this. बनाओ, इसको बनाओ. Solve this. Your options are 1:2, 2:1, 1:4, 4:1. E, none of these. None of these. None of these. हाँ भाई, आंसर करिए. Draw the deflected shape. Apply the load. Draw the deflected shape. Get the answer. Get the answer fast. Get the answer. Get the answer. Apply the load. Draw the deflected shape. Get the answer. Your options are A, B, C, D, E. 1:2, 2:1, 1:4, 4:1. E is none of these. E is none of this. At B you apply the load of P. At B पे आपने P का लोड अप्लाई किया है. B पे आपने P का लोड अप्लाई किया है. B पे आपने P का लोड अप्लाई किया है. So tell me which of the following is correct. Just draw the deflected shape, you will get the answer. आप deflected shape बनाओ, आंसर आ जाएगा. Draw the deflected shape, you will get your answer. Yes? भाई इतना जो मैं पढ़ाया हूं, गेट एंड ईएसई ऑब्जेक्टिव इज मोर देन इनफ. इसके बाहर से कोई सवाल नहीं आने वाला. समझ रहे हो? None of the question is going to come out of these questions box. It is enough. It is enough. Is it clear? तो भाई मेरे इसको ढंग से बनाओ. प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन बनाओ. इन द स्पेशल क्लास आई विल डिस्कस नाउ प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, मोमेंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मेथड का प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करूंगा. राइट, कंप्लीट प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन ऑफ द मोमेंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मेथड आई विल डिस्कस. ओके, सो सॉल्व द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन कंप्लीटली for the moment distribution method. It will take time for me to complete it, क्योंकि in the moment distribution method there are around 110 to 120 questions. So I will discuss all the questions of the previous year, right? You can understand 110 to 120 questions. That means per year the questions are coming. Per year the questions are coming. Yes or no? Ekdam. So you can understand the importance of this topic. और मैं इतना सिंपल वे में आपको कराया हूं. You can solve n number of questions for this. कोई भी क्वेश्चन आ जाए आप बना लोगे. Just know how to draw the deflected shape. Yes, what is the answer? What is the answer? बोलो बेटा. If I draw the deflected shape, so it will look like, देखो, from A it will start, right? Will move, no restriction at D. So one is like a both end fits, one is like one end roller, other end fits. So it moves by amount of delta here. It moves by amount of delta here. Then only the member BC is inextensible, right? So what is the moment? What is the moment developed? What is the moment developed? Tell me. What is the moment developed? What is the moment developed? At BA and CD. Moment kitna develop hua? Let us say this moment is MBA and other side the moment is MCD. Okay. So moment MBA, what you are going to write? For MBA, 6EI delta by L square? Yes or no? So let us write that. I will show you how you do the mistakes. MBA, 6EI delta by L square, right? Next, if I write MCD, so what is MCD? What is MCD? 3 wala formula, right? So 3 into E, it is not I, it is 2I into delta upon L by 2 whole square. Length is not L, it is L by 2. So this is what? 24 EI delta divided by L square. 24 EI delta divided by L square. So now what is asked? MBA is to MCD. MBA is to MCD. MBA is to MCD. That is what? 6 EI delta by L square is to 24 EI delta divided by L square. So EI delta by L square will cancel out. You will get the value of 1:4. So correct answer is 1:4. Correct answer is 1:4. Is it clear to everyone? ये point सबको समझ में आ गया? अरे बोलो रे बाबा. Is this point clear to everyone? Yes? चलिए बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. So we completed the sway analysis. इससे ज्यादा कोई सवाल नहीं आने वाला. हाँ, see they ask the variation, but the variation cannot change ना. Variation में क्या होगा? कुछ घुमा देंगे, इधर उधर सपोर्ट कर देंगे. They will put support here and there and they will ask. So what's the problem? You can answer. You know the basic. You know the basic. You can answer. Right? Okay. So that's all from the today's class. That is enough. And tomorrow we are going to start static kinematic indeterminacy and the stability of the structure. Tomorrow we are going to start static kinematic indeterminacy and stability of the structure. Okay. So that is a complete new topic. Anyone can attend. Anyone can, anyone. जिसने कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ा वो भी attend कर लेगा. Right? And the previous lectures which you have not followed, which you have not seen, any subject remaining for your GATE exam you want to do in a comprehensive manner, everything is available here in the playlist on your channel. Right? And if you want to plan in a well planned way कि यार आपको करना एक बहुत अच्छे फॉर्म में, so you can select either of these subscriptions, either 12 months, 18 months or 24 months, either in the plus or in the iconic, right? So you can do that. क्योंकि यार देखो यहाँ पे जिस तरीके से आपको पढ़ाई होती है वो शायद ही कहीं मिलेगी, right? बिकॉज द वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, यार देखो लेक्चर तो वहां भी जा रहे हैं, लेकिन द इंटरेक्शन विच इज देयर बिटवीन यू एंड मी इज एट अनदर लेवल, राइट? जो जानते हैं, जो पढ़ ले वो जानते हैं. एंड व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, चाहे तुम प्लस लो चाहे तुम आइकॉनिक लो, you need to use the code BHART10, right? Okay, it's on this Facebook group, that is GATE Aspirants MEC CSE. And if you look at all the YouTube channels of the Unacademy, in all the channels for all the branches, whether it's a mechanical, civil, EC, electrical, CS, instrumentation, right? For all the channels, we are having the best educators from India, right? And there even we are having the Unacademy GATE question where previous year questions are discussed. We are having electrical junction where only the electrical slides are there, videos are there. We are having engineering Pathshala. One video I've uploaded already on the quicksand. One more video I'm going to upload soon on this deflected shape, right? And for GS, those who are preparing for any state exams, there you can go for the GS, right? And भाई मेरे, मैं आपको एक ही बात बोलता हूं कि अगर आप चैनल से जुड़े हुए हो तो कीप लाइकिंग द वीडियो, शेयरिंग द वीडियो. ये आपका चैनल है, आप इसको ऊपर उठा के लेके जाओगे. एंड डू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड हिट द बेल आइकन ताकि आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे. सो थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय, टेक केयर.